Hey everyone, this is Angela with Bake It With Love, and this is another great no-bake treat for Valentine's Day using pretzel rods and different colored chocolates and a little custom combo of sprinkles that I made there. So I'm starting out with smaller dishes because I'm using 3 colors. If you were only using 1 color, you could do a bigger dish and melt your chocolate, and then you could easily dip your pretzel rods. But I didn't do that. I wanted to do 3 different colors for, of course, photo purposes. So I have smaller dishes here, and I'm using a spoon to spoon the chocolate, melted chocolate, up and over each of the pretzel rods and smoothing it out. And then let your excess chocolate drip off and add all of your sprinkles. I'm working on a parchment paper lined baking sheet so that once my pretzel rods are decorated, I'm just setting them and letting them set up as I continue working on each of the following colors, and they will be setting up. And actually, what you don't see here is that I'm working on a couple of other little no-bake treats in the meantime. They're in the background. Those videos will be added after this, so be sure to look for them. So as you can see here, I'm just using my spoon to smooth the chocolate on the side and kind of pull away a bunch of the excess chocolate. This was a little bit thicker than the pink. And add your sprinkles and keep going. This is a great project to do with kids because it's actually it's not setting up too fast. Your chocolate won't harden. There's plenty of time to move along, even if you're giving instructions as you go. If your chocolate in the bowl that's melted is starting to harden up, you can always add it into the, pop it back into the microwave just for a few seconds until it's nice and spreadable again. Give it a good stir and keep going. If you run out of sprinkles, hopefully you have them on the side. You just mix up some more. You can see all of the pretzel rods are decorated. I'm going to set them aside. They're pretty much, like, by the time I got to the end, they were almost completely set up and ready to package or share. So if you go into the website and you didn't grab the ingredients or the link from the notes and comments below, you can look up Valentine, pretzel, no bake, whatever you need to find this recipe on Bake It With Love. At the top of all of our recipes, we have the Jump to Recipe link there. And we have a Jump to section here to help you get to whatever section you need to grab, because maybe you're just grabbing the ingredients again, or the instructions, or you want some storage info, or you want to print the recipe card. And it's all of this there at your fingertips. And then you can scroll through the post to look at everything. I try and include alternatives. The last thing I like doing is running into town because I forgot one thing. So I try and include that type of information, as well as how to customize and make any recipe your own. So, and then the print function here, I'm a big person. I want to fit it into one page, but that's not possible always. But you can make the print smaller. You can switch it over to metric. You can adjust how many pretzels you're going to make. You can include the nutrition label or not. And here are my lovely pretzel sticks. They're all done, pretzel rods, whatever you want to call them. They are fabulous at Valentine's Day parties. Kids love them, and so do sweethearts. So give them a try. Check out the other videos too, and be sure and like and love Bake It With Love. Follow us for more great fun stuff.